Stand as one. Understanding unity in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, stand as one. It's a powerful expression that's often used to convey unity and solidarity. Let's dive in and understand its meaning and usage, so you can start using it confidently in your own conversations. The phrase, stand as one, is an idiomatic expression that means to unite in support of a common goal or to act together as a single entity. It implies that despite any differences, a group of people comes together to act as one. This is often used in contexts where cooperation and collaboration are essential. Understanding the origins of phrases can help us appreciate their meaning more deeply. The phrase, stand as one, likely originates from historical military or social movements, where unity was crucial for success. Over time, it has been adopted in various contexts, symbolizing collective strength. Let's look at how stand as one can be used. In a speech, in the face of adversity, we must stand as one. During a team project, to achieve the best results, we need to stand as one and work together. These examples show the phrase in action, demonstrating its role in encouraging unity. You can use stand as one in many situations. Social movements, when people come together for a cause. Sports teams, encouraging teamwork and camaraderie. In times of crisis, to promote solidarity and mutual support. Thank you for joining us. Today we've learned about the phrase, stand as one, its meaning, origins, and how to use it effectively. Remember, this phrase is all about unity and coming together to achieve something greater. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to add this expression to your English vocabulary with ease. See you in the next video.